Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, you will be learning what is all about use case testing. By the end of the video, you will be completely knowing what is use case testing and what are the uses of use case testing. Before moving further, if you have visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. So before completely understanding what is all about use case testing, let us first understand what is all about use case. The use case is nothing but it is a representation. It is a pictorial representation. The use cases are represented in a pictorial representation using the tool, where it will clearly show the representation of how the software which we implemented and how the interaction will happen to the software application from the external people. I'm going to explain you with the example how the interactions is going to happen from the system to the external people, right? So it is completely going to come up with a pictorial representation that is called as a use case. It shows a sequence. The use cases gives a sequence of actions for systems to perform a value addition to the actor. So actor is here an external factor. I hope you clearly understood what is use case. Use case is nothing but a pictorial representation. Pictorial representation of the interaction which we made in the software system. So we take an example, the flow chart. The flow chart is an representation of an algorithm. Similarly, use case is the representation of the software systems or applications that interacts with the various environment surrounded by that software systems. So surrounded environment in the software systems could be actor is also one of the. Let us understand what is actor here. So actor is an outside or external of the system. So actor can be human, it could be peripheral devices, could be hardware, could be mouse. All these are all peripheral devices. External systems or subsystems. Let's say your software is going to call some other software or it is making use of third-party software. Everything we call it as a actor here. So everything that is going to represent it as a actor in the use case diagram. And also time and time-based events, everything we represented as an actor. So actor is represented in this way. It's a stick figure. This is the way you are representing the actor. Now let us come to the actual topic, which is use case testing. Use case testing is nothing but is a functional black box testing technique. And this use case testing will be used to derive the test scenarios. Use case testing is used to derive the test scenarios. That is a main important aspect of a use case testing, where you are going to visualize the test scenarios between the actors and the systems. The main purpose of the use case testing is to create a test scenario. The test scenarios can be created using the use case diagram, that helps to visualize the interaction between the actors and the system. Let's say we are going to develop a system which can help you to take an appointment. So this is for a dental clinic. Let's say we have developed a appointment software that helps to take an appointment. Here who is going to take an appointment? Here actor. Actor here it is a patient, is an external actor, right? And the system which can take the appointment here is a software system. software system where it is going to record whenever there is a communication happens from actor, which is a patient here, to the request comes here into the software system, and software system to take the appointment. It keeps the record in the system. So this is an use case, and use case has been represented in a pictorial representation in this manner. I hope you are able to clearly visualize what is all about use case testing. I hope you are able to clearly understood what is all about use case testing from this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and if you visited Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time, then please click on subscribe button and bell notification so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox. That would help you to enhance your software testing skills. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.